Number 1. 1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,800. This truck features an automatic transmission and a beige exterior. It's powered by a 5.7-liter engine with only 40,000 miles on the new motor, with receipts available to verify the replacement. The truck holds a clean title and remains in solid mechanical condition. Recent maintenance includes a new rear differential cover, water pump, and a complete set of cooling hoses. Additional replacements include a new oil pump, serpentine belt tensioner, idler pulley, front-end linkages, front hubs, and front CV axles. The battery, replaced last year, along with new front brakes, adds to its reliability. Furthermore, the oil, transmission fluid and filter, and radiator have all been recently serviced. Number 2. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It has 210,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission with a classic green exterior. The truck is completely rust-free and remains in all original condition, showcasing how well it has been maintained over the years. It comes equipped with a brand new transmission and a fully replaced air conditioning system, ensuring smooth and comfortable drives. The intake gaskets and power steering pump were replaced 2 years ago, reflecting consistent care and maintenance. It also features a durable Line-X bed liner for added protection and utility, along with brand new tires that enhance stability and performance on the road. The truck is fitted with true dual exhausts, giving it a strong, authentic sound and improved airflow. Number 3. 1972 Chevrolet C20, price $8,900. It has traveled only 96,000 original miles. It features a 350 V8 engine paired with a 400 turbo automatic transmission, both of which perform exceptionally well. Everything on the vehicle is in working condition, and it remains a remarkably original survivor. The truck sports a silver exterior and a brown interior, with the interior retaining its original color and showing excellent preservation. According to the SPID sticker, the truck was originally painted white and brown, and it has since been repainted on the exterior to its current silver finish. Despite the repaint, much of its authenticity remains intact. The Chevrolet C20 starts up instantly and runs smoothly, delivering a strong and reliable driving experience. The tires are old but still suitable for test drives and light use. Impressively, the vehicle has no leaks and comes with its original paperwork from Luby Chevrolet, further underscoring its well-documented history and originality. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1986 Dodge D150, price $4,000. It has approximately 102,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission. The truck comes in a brown exterior paired with a blue interior, powered by a gasoline engine. The vehicle's body and frame are completely rust-free, and both the dashboard and interior remain in good condition. The floorboards are solid, and the truck runs very smoothly and reliably, reflecting its strong mechanical integrity. It also includes a toolbox and comes with a clean title, making it a well-maintained example of a classic Dodge pickup. There are a few minor cosmetic imperfections. The passenger side mirror is cracked, and there's a dent on the front bumper bracket. Number 5. 2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,995. This truck has 183,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission. Both the exterior and interior come in gray, giving it a clean, uniform look. Powered by a 5.3L V8 gasoline engine, this truck delivers the smooth, reliable performance and legendary torque that Chevrolet is known for. Equipped with 4x4 capability, it's ready to handle tough work conditions, weekend adventures, or unpredictable Oklahoma weather with ease. Despite some minor cosmetic imperfections, this Chevrolet 1500 holds a clean title and runs and drives exceptionally well. It has also received regular maintenance, including 3 documented service records and consistent oil changes, ensuring dependable performance and long-term reliability. Number 6. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,450. It has traveled approximately 183,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. It comes in a metallic gray exterior with a matching gray interior, both in clean condition. Powered by a 5.7L 350 V8 TBI engine, this truck delivers classic Chevrolet performance and reliability. The vehicle is equipped with power windows and door locks, a bench seat in excellent shape, and a solid headliner, showing the care it has received over the years. Its straight body and two-tone metallic green and blue paint still shine nicely, giving it a timeless look. The truck also comes with up-to-date registration tags and a clean title in hand, making it ready for its next owner. Number 7. 1970 Ford F250, price $6,000. The truck was originally finished in baby blue but has since been repainted in a clean white color accented with striking red details, giving it a fresh and stylish appearance. Beneath the hood lies a robust 390 Ford big block engine that delivers impressive power and performance. This classic pickup also comes equipped with power steering and power brakes, ensuring a smooth and confident driving experience on any road. Featuring a sturdy body, timeless design, and dependable mechanics, the 1970 Ford F250 combines vintage charm with reliable performance, making it a perfect blend of strength and style for classic truck enthusiasts. Number 8. 1985 Dodge D150, price $6,000. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a 318 V8 engine paired with a small cam and a 3-speed automatic transmission. The windshield has a small crack that does not obstruct visibility, though it will need a trim piece installed to prevent water leakage around the seal. A brand new $400 Edelbrock carburetor has been fitted, and the truck rides on nearly new tires with only about 300 to 400 miles of use. The wheels have been powder-coated in a glossy white finish, complementing its vintage look. Additionally, it comes equipped with a new Flowmaster dual exhaust system. However, it could benefit from a few adjustments. New front shocks are needed as the ride feels slightly bouncy, and the carburetor requires fine-tuning since it currently runs rich and emits some black smoke. The transmission may also need a bit of adjustment to ensure smoother operation. Number 9. 1978 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500. It comes finished in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, giving it a clean, classic appearance. This truck is in remarkably solid condition for its age, showing no rust except for the small areas visible in the photos, with the floors and frame remaining in excellent shape. Although it was originally equipped with an air conditioning option, the compressor is currently missing. Inside, the truck has undergone several updates, including a new headliner, dashboard, seat, and carpet, along with new door and window rubber seals to improve comfort and insulation. Mechanically, it has been well maintained and fitted with new brakes, dual exhaust, heater core, radiator, battery, and shocks, ensuring smooth and reliable performance. The original radio is not currently installed, and the windshield has a crack on the lower passenger side. Number 10. 1978 Chevrolet Silverado, price $4,750. This pickup is a one-owner classic truck equipped with a 4-inch lift and powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine mated to an automatic transmission. The engine runs well, though it does have some minor oil leaks typical of its age. The truck also includes 2 brand new bedsides, offering an excellent starting point for anyone looking to restore it to its former glory. Although the Silverado needs some restoration work to reach like new condition, it remains fully drivable and mechanically sound enough to be enjoyed as it is. The combination of its powerful V8 engine, raised suspension, and classic square body design gives it a timeless appeal and strong road presence.